Hi, hello, welcome back. So today is going to be a get ready with me video where I'm going to be doing a pearl liner look. This is probably a kind of 2019 trend, Euphoria inspired obviously, but I always wanted to give it a try and I haven't done this look before. So when people do the pearl liner look, they tend to just do a very simple base, like a nude colored base or a pinky base, and then they'll do the pearl liner. But what I wanted to do was put on a blue base and then do the pearl liner look and keep the rest of the face very simple. So as you can see, I've already done my base and a little bit of contour. In this video, I'm going to be focusing on doing my eyes, eyebrows, blush and lips. Okay, so let's get started. First, we're going to focus on the eyes because that's going to be the main point of this makeup look. The eyeshadow that I'm going to be using for my blue base today is this color. It's kind of a blue-green. It is an pressed eyeshadow from Uemura in the color G Blue Green 641. I'm pretty sure I got this at an event and I was super happy to get it, but because it is this color, I haven't used it that many times, but I've kept it because I've always thought that I could use it for, you know, when I do colorful looks, fun looks, makeup for like events, and so we'll be using this today. So first I'm going to get this color on a eyeshadow brush and then pack it onto the lid. I'm just going all over my lid. I also wanted the base to be blue but not super blue. I'm happy that it's sheer, but because it's sheer I may have to go over it quite a few times. Wow, that is shiny. Can you see that? Wow, this is fun. I don't usually wear blue eyeshadow and I haven't been wearing shiny kind of sparkly shadows recently either, so wow. I think it's the base that's pretty good. So doing the other eye now. Just same as before. Wow. That is some real shine. Now that we have the blue shadow all over our lid, I'm just going to take a little bit like so to just get more of the color onto the lid, and I'm going to focus it closer to the lash line so we get that gradation effect, just to bring out more of the blue. And same on the other side. So I have a little bit of fallout, but honestly, I mean, I don't mind. So I'm doing this look because I'm going to be filming a birthday congratulations video and I wanted to do like a party look for it. So we're going to put the same blue shadow on the bottom lash line, and for that I'm going to be using a little bit more of a tapered shadow brush. Again, we're going to be taking the same color, packing it onto the shadow brush and focusing it on our lower lash line, starting from the outer corner and then bringing it in. I might as well also just bring it kind of out here as well. I think it might give a cool kind of effect. Out and a little bit up because I'm going to get the pearl liner to kind of follow that line after. And doing the same on the other eye. And flicking it out again. Make sure that your flicks are even, because I feel like mine are not. Just to add a little bit more dimension to this eyeshadow, I'm going to put in another color. This is the Canmake Jewellery Shadow Veil in the color 03, which is kind of like a mauvey taupey pinky color. These two are basically the same color. This side, however, has smaller sparkle particles. This one has bigger sparkle particles. So this is usually used as the base color and then this as a topper. Today we're only going to be using the topper part. So I just got some and I'm going to be putting that on top of the blue. Just in patting motions. I feel like by putting the mauve on the blue, it cancels a bit of the blue, but I think it'll add a cute little kind of pop of warm sparkle to the blue and give it a little bit more depth. Now next onto the pearl liner. So for the pearl liner we're going to be using pearl stickers. I recommend that if you can get actual face stickers for your face, that would be the best. These are just decorative stickers, so if you're trying this, please, please, please get face stickers. Or you can also use pearl parts that are cut in half like this, like half spheres, and then stick them on with lash glue. Today, like I said, I'm not actually going anywhere. I'm just going to be filming things at home, so I'm just going to be using the stickiness of the sticker itself. So I'm just going to be taking one. Now we are going to stick it on our eyelid, very close to the lash line. And I think I'm going to stick this one kind of towards the middle, just so we can see where we're starting off. Maybe around here. How's that? So I'm using my nails right now. Ooh, 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 ooh. If using your nails is difficult, I recommend that you use tweezers. This is our third one. I'm actually going to put one more on just towards the end to really give us like that flick. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. That's the outer part done. I think I want to put one or two more near like the inner corner. So that's the inner one on. I don't know if I should put another one on there. I could put, you know what, let's just try. I'm like, does that work? Is the placing kind of weird? So this is what one eye looks like. I'm just gonna go do the other eye very quickly. So I just finished the other eye off camera. Just a bit of waterproof mascara. I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows. I'm just taking a eyeshadow brush again. I put some brown brow powder onto it. And I'm just basically darkening my brows. I'm not really trying to give them any real like shape or definition. I just want to darken the brow hairs. I'm going to be putting a little bit of blush on. What color is this? I'm not sure. It's just by Rimmel London. It's like a corally kind of peachy pink color. And I'm going to focus kind of where you might put your highlighter as opposed to your blush. Like from here on up. And I'm going to be putting some highlighter on. It's the Mary Luminizer by The Balm Cosmetics. I've hit pan on it. As you can see, it's so good. I absolutely love it. So just highlighting kind of like above the cheekbones and around the outer corner of the eye, a bit on the nose, cupid's bow, chin, and a bit just under the brows. So last but not least, we're going to do our lips. For this, I'm going to be using 24-hour Cosme Cosmetics. They're a mineral stick color in the color Sugar. Because our eyes are colourful and shiny and pearly and there's a lot going on there, we want to keep the rest of the face pretty toned down. I'm just going to be putting some of the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the colour Fussy on top, just to give it a little bit of a glossy look. And so this is the final look. The pearl liner is the main point of the look with the blue shadow. Everything else is kept simple. Honestly, if you're taking pictures, this angle's the best. This angle, not this angle, this angle. It really doesn't take that much time or effort to do this. It'll be a really fun like party look, fun look to do at home. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. I keep saying like, thumbs up, thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!